In Texas, family violence can actually encompass a large variety of situations. The most common one might be what people think of as spousal abuse, where a husband and a wife or a boyfriend and a girlfriend are in some type of physical altercation, but it can extend far beyond that. Even a physical altercation between roommates can be a family violence charge. A lot of times, alleged victims are surprised to find out that they don't control what happens with the case. Once the police get involved, they lose control. And now police and prosecutors are going to decide what happens with that case, in some cases against the alleged victim's wishes.
The police obviously will tell you that it's now the state of Texas versus whomever the defendant is, and that the state has picked up the case. However, if you work closely with your attorney, we can create situations where the prosecution's case is actually damaged, or maybe even damaged to the point where they cannot proceed with the case.
In many cases, we find that the alleged victim doesn't want to prosecute at all. Maybe the statement that was originally made to police is completely untrue. Or what's often the case is that maybe the alleged victim, in a moment of fear, minimized the alleged victim's role to distance themselves from any wrongdoing, and now they want to come clean.
Our firm isn't interested in placing blame on anyone who might have called the police. The only thing we're interested in is returning your family to normalcy and reconciling the situation so that everybody can move forward. That return to normalcy will reduce your stress, get your family back on track, and you know that you have a team working on this and handling it for you. You can just focus on reconciling your family.
So the team at Cofer Luster brings some really unique experience to these types of cases. There are attorneys, including myself at this law firm, who were prosecutors specifically assigned to the family violence unit at the district attorney's office. And we don't work by ourselves. We work with excellent staff. We work directly with private investigators who help us collect evidence. The sooner that Cofer Luster gets involved in your case, the sooner that we can begin to work to restore some normalcy to your life. Call us so that we can meet with you today and begin working on your case.